Hello everyone, my name is Akaya Kelly. Go ahead and turn your camera. I want you to be able to see I've done some two-strand twists on my client's hair. And I'm going to show you guys how to be able to do miracle knots on locks. Yes, y'all, we are doing miracle knots on locks. Do you want like a new style? Are you tired of wearing that same old style over and over again? If so, you guys most definitely should try these miracle knots. When I say I love this on her, I love this on her, and she just love it too. Cause I don't know if you know, guys, but back in the day, I used to be a product. I used to be a weave junkie. I used to love wearing weave, and she did too. So this was a good way so she can be able to still wear her weave and have her locks too. But I'm very proud of her because she has went a really long time with her locks. Now I'm just showing you guys how the hair is. The hair has like little strings on it, so that makes it so much easier when it's time to tie off. I don't know if you guys ever done human hair crochet. Back in the day, what I would do is I would just cut the hair off of the track. And guys, when I say it was so hard to work with human hair crochet, that's why I was so excited to hear now they have human hair crochet as the feather. The way that they have it, it's like totally different. Like I said, kind of look like some strings. It make tying off so much easier. But if you don't watch what you're doing, guys, you can really damage your hair. So most definitely pay attention to how you are installing it and how you are removing it. That's why in this video, I'm showing you how I done hers. I wanted to be able to do the way that she didn't have to worry about any breakage or anything like that. That's why I done it two-strand twist first, and then I crocheted the hair in between the locks and tied it off on one of the locks. If that makes sense, that makes it so much easier, and you don't have to worry about your hair breaking or anything. So please, guys, make sure you're paying attention to how you are using this hair. This hair did take some getting used to using, like everybody else be using it all easy and this and that. No, guys, it takes some getting used to doing it. Once you get your rhythm going, it's easy, super easy. One thing that I didn't want to do, guys, is weigh her down too with a whole bunch of hair. Because I've seen so many people that have so much hair. No, she has locks. We're not trying to damage any locks or do anything like that. So that's why we only use a couple pieces. I think I maybe used 2 pieces per lock, just to let you know. Again, we did two-strand twist, and then I attached this hair. I really like this hair. I'm gonna make an in-depth video of this hair. The do's, I ain't gonna say the do's and the don'ts, but the things that I didn't like about it. But the actual texture itself and everything, I love it. Because one time I tried to do a miracle knots like on my locks one time, and I used synthetic hair. Oh my God, it was a disaster. Especially if you're trying to make it long. Like maybe if you got short locks and you're using short synthetic hair, that's good. But if you have long locks, you got all the, when you have human hair, everything is kind of mixing in, and then you got to put it up in a ponytail. So again, y'all, use human hair if you're going to do this style, especially if it is with real locks. I would use human hair. Again, this is the Ygwigs human feather crochet hair. You can be able to go to their website, see all the hair they got. They got all kind of hair. And if you are in Atlanta, they have a warehouse. We didn't even know. My client actually went to the warehouse to pick this up. So again, guys, do your research. I'm gonna supply you with the actual link. It's all kind of hair. You can be able to pick it up, or you can be able to get it made. Sit back, relax. Hopefully you have learned some already from this video. If you are looking for someone to do your hair, I would love to do your hair. I am located in the Dallas, Georgia area. I do locks, I do crochet, all kind of things. And I also have training classes. So say, for instance, you're not able to take care of your hair, you need a consult, contact me. I would love to do your hair. But again, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. And right here, guys, real quick, I want to let you know you don't need no product on it. I am using water, and look like how it's springing back. So no product needed at all. I know we always get these weaves and add a bunch of product. You don't need to do that. It's a whole different texture. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm done. Don't forget to subscribe for more. If you like this video, please go ahead and press the like button. Bye, guys. Be blessed. And if you tried some miracle knots, let us know below. How did you like it? Let us know, okay? And I'll be coming out with a video of how to do miracle knots on loose hair. So stay tuned to that. Again, go ahead, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be blessed, guys. Bye.